How do I manage and edit products on an opportunity? Well, in this example opportunity, the first thing we want to look at is that we're using a US dollar currency. That will drive what list of price lists we have to pick from, because we'll only be able to see the US dollar currency ones. So then under the price list, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my price list. And I could look up more records to see a full list. But the one that I saw here seemed alright to me, so I'm going to make sure I'm on US dollars sprockets. And then I'm going to allow revenue to be system calculated so that this number updates automatically for me. I could make it so that it's user provided so that I can type in a dollar amount up here. But in this case, I'm going to set it to system calculated. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a product. And what I can do is I can add either an existing product or a write-in product of my own fashion. I'm going to avoid doing this write-in product since it's usually best to pick from an existing product that everyone's set up pricing on and has agreed to. So I hit my plus, and then I can either start typing my name of my product if I know it already, or I can go over to my little hourglass over here to do a search. It'll list some of my most recently selected products, or I can again look up more products. I can hit my plus in order to add it. Now the name of the product is locked, and of course the price is locked because that's set by an administrator. I can edit my quantity to be 20 here, and I can set a manual discount, which can be either percentage or dollar, and I'm going to set it to, I'm going to give a discount of $20. So now I have clicked out, and I've realized that, I've made a mistake. I didn't mean to give them the 20-tooth version of the sprocket. I meant to give them only the 20-tooth version. So over here on the right hand side, I have the ability to delete. So I'm going to delete my line item. I'm going to add a new one. I'm going to add an existing product. I'm going to select my 20-tooth, and then I'm going to make my count 500 of them. But then this is strange because I would expect a slightly different number on my extended amount. So now I'm going to go over here to the left hand side, just to the left of the lock, and I'm going to double click. And what we're going to get into is we're going to get into the details of the opportunity product. So I get to look at, yes, the product was existing, which product it was, that it's not a write-in product, which unit it is that it's using. In this case, it's primary unit because we're only selling counts. If it was a weight and measure, like if I was selling by the case or by the truckload or by the pound or by the ounce, you would see the unit here. And then going down my list, the pricing is default. The price per unit is listed here, but then we have a volume discount that the administrators of the CRM system have set up, where it looks like if I sell 500 of these, that per unit they're going to get a $1.07 discount. So I should probably brag that up. And then there is the forward amount that I'm offering, and then I again could offer my $100 manual discount if I had that authority. And then if we had set up CRM to calculate tax automatically, we could do that, or we could type in a manual amount here. So I know that my item has saved here, and now I can just click back to go back to my opportunity. So I'm going to scroll back down to my opportunity product. I could continue to add products. So let's see if there's anything else on this list. No, we'll just add yet another sprocket. And in this case, they're only going to buy 4 of them. But I want to give them away for free. Whoops. Now, if I ever see anything awkward or I change my price list with existing products, I want to come up here and I want to click Recalc Opportunity so that my discounts and my extended price and my estimated revenue always updates. Now, one thing that I can do is I can highlight an item, and if I want to reorder these so that they look nice, I can do that. I can put them in whatever order that I want. And here I can see my Sorry about that. One thing that I wanted to show is that when I recalculate an opportunity and I have system calculated set, what the heck? One thing that I wanted to point out is that while we have volume-based per unit discounting and we have manual per product discounting, we also have percentage discounting when we have revenue set to system calculated and you use the recalculate opportunity button. So what I can do is I can either on a percentage basis or on a flat rate basis, I can apply discounts to the entire opportunity order. So in this case, we'll hit save, and you can see my pre-freight amount drops by 1%, and then I could add an additional 100% discount on that, and then save. And now you can see that my line item my whole quote discounts have been applied, and then from here I could go on to creating new quotes and perhaps winning or losing the opportunity.